Shit. So I kind of have to pee. Capo on the 2nd fret. Fucking. Yep. I should have set this up first before trying to record, but whatever. Capo on the 2nd fret. I don't know how long the verse is or anything. I'm playing F, C. I throw this pinky down. I think that's a C7th. I don't fucking know. I'll throw in an E. G. I don't know if that's a G7th. Undecided about throwing in an A minor. That's usually a good place to find the fishes. It's actually not a bad line. I love fell out into the ocean. I got off of it. I saw her swimming. Oops. In fact, I don't know any of them at all. Back to F, 'cause I don't know what to play here. I don't feel super good, so I'm not gonna have a beer. Does it sound better to just let it ring out? Oops. That ain't no blackbird, baby. I'm just a bird that's flying low. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That's just a crow that's flying low. So there I'm doing C, F, and G. enough.